This is my most requested breakfast idea with eggs that my family wants me to make almost every morning now. Basically, it is just one pan egg cheese sandwich that anyone can make in minutes with ingredients you already have. Take 3 slices of bread and cut them in half. Next, you can use any type of cooked meat or leftover meat you have. I just use Frankfurter because my husband bought a big pack last week and we really need to use them up. It works perfectly in this recipe since it is already cooked and just needs warming through on the pan. I also add a few slices of chicken sausage for my son because he prefers it over Frankfurters. Fry them just a little on both sides to warm through. You do not need to cook them completely. Since they are already pre-cooked, just get them slightly brown and heat it up. It only takes about a minute on each side. Now, for one sandwich, you need 1 egg. Crack it into a small bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of salt. Give it a good whisk until everything is mixed together. Now, add some butter or oil to a pan on medium heat and pour in the egg mixture. Then, add 2 bread slices and flip them around in the egg mixture so both sides get coated and let it cook for about 2 minutes until the egg starts to set, as you can see in the video here. Then, carefully flip it over and fold all the sides in the middle, as you see me doing here. This makes it look more like a sandwich than an omelet and gives it that nice square shape. Then add a few slices of cheese, and I like to add a bit of chili sauce, or you can also add ketchup or any of your favorite condiment. Then carefully fold it together and the sandwich is ready to eat. The heat from the egg and bread will melt the cheese, making it nice and gooey inside. So the next one I'm going to do this with the chicken sausage. It's pretty much the same. You crack the egg in the bowl with milk and salt, mix it up, pour it in the pan, add the bread slices, flip them around in the egg, let it cook a bit, then flip the whole thing over. When you add the cheese, just put the chicken sausage pieces on top before folding it. If you want the outside to get more golden and crispy, you can turn up the heat slightly for the last 30 seconds of cooking. So, let me know what you think of this one-pan breakfast sandwich. Would you try bacon instead of sausage? Or maybe add some avocado? Drop your ideas in the comments below. This recipe is perfect for busy mornings when you need something quick but filling. If you are looking for more delicious and easy breakfast ideas, check out my cheesy flatbread recipe here, which is perfect for breakfast. It is also super easy to make, and it's something different than the usual toast. Check it out now!